the exciting future of Vitruvian power. In the future, everything that surrounds us will need an enormous amount of energy. The issues of storing energy, effective usage, and rational consumption will become even more crucial. In time, society will need an easily accessible, convenient, and efficient source of energy for personal and immediate use. That'll be the time when humans will need to become individual generators. The Vitruvian future is here, and we are all participants in the development of this new era of energy consumption. We are all a part of the process. The harvested energy is accessible everywhere, anytime, for everyone. Vitruvian power changes the concept of consuming energy. It is a revolutionized energy essential to sectors and industries such as sports, fashion, and industrial. The new society of consumers, conscious consumers, responsible consumers, will be able to share harvested energy between each other and become a part of the electrical grid. The Vitruvian future is here.